Let's talk about bed placement and setup within your apartment. So you can see we have a bed here. We're in College Town Center, but I wanted to show you a couple tips about the bed frame and where to place your bed. So you can see over here, let's go over. The bed frames are a low frame, and you can see here that sometimes they will have this part that sticks out. This piece of the bed frame is meant to go against the wall. If you leave it, so that is the part that is out into your bedroom, you're going to whack that with your foot when you walk by, and that will be annoying pretty quickly. Make sure that this part of the frame that does not reach all the way to the end, make sure that that is the part that is on the outside part of the bed. Okay, so this is the outside part. This part here goes against the wall, and you can push the bed a little bit more towards the end. It's just not all the way at the end in this particular example we have right here. Also, look for where your heater is when you're setting up your apartment. So here's a heater in College Town Center. Other buildings will have different types of heaters, but you want to make sure that you're not blocking the heater. I don't prefer having the pillows right next to that heater. That might be a little warm on your head at night in the winter. So you might want to consider that when you're getting things set up. Some apartments will have the heater panel along the floorboards of the window side. If that is the case, you'll want to make sure that your bed is not pushed all the way up against those floorboard heaters, because that will block the heat. So those are just a couple tips for how to set up your bed. Make sure this part that sticks out is towards the wall, not sticking out, and don't block your heaters. So that's just a couple of tips for getting your bedroom set up in any of our apartments.